Hi everybody, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to fix your product activation notification on your MS Office. Hi, so if your Microsoft Word is having this kind of problem where it shows that the product activation has failed and you keep receiving this notification, then here's how to fix it. So you need to go to your File Explorer, this one right here, go to your PC, go to local disk and go to the program files. After that, you should search the Microsoft Office. So here's for mine. Then go to Office 16. Then right here we have this one called OSPPREARM. So this one, you should run it as administrator 3 times, just um like this, 3 times. Just run it for 3 times, and then you should be able to solve your solution, and the notification of having your product has failed will no longer show on your Word. And that's all.